Fast and the Furious star Paul Walker has reportedly died in a single-car accident and explosion in Southern California on Saturday afternoon. According to TMZ.com, the 40-year-old actor was in a Porsche when a still unknown driver lost control and slammed the vehicle into a tree. The car subsequently burst in fire, killing the latter and another person. Walker is a native of Glendale, California. He joined Hollywood in the late 90s and best known for his role as Brian O'Connor in the Fast and the Furious movie franchise.